Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to find recycled bin. In the beginning, if you want access to recycled bin, firstly you'll have to go to Play Store and download files from Google. Install this app, open it, grant all permissions. Now go to menu, and as you can see right here, we've got the bin. In bin, you'll find every deleted file you've got on your phone. Also, you can take the deleted files out of the bin, but only within 30 days after deletion. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.